Alright, we're on US 64 West in Tennessee. We just came through the gorge and we're going to make us a right-hand turn on 30. It says 30 west, but it tastes more like 30 north. If you've never been on this road, you really need to give it a try. If we're lucky, there'll be somebody camping out here, and we're gonna get the smell of that campfire bacon. Who doesn't love that smell? That little creek is up right now. We've had so much rain in the last few days, the last few weeks. Yeah, there's actually water in the creek. It's flowing. Typically when I come through here, there's just like a light trickle of water going across the rocks. It looks cool. But so far, no campers making bacon. So sad. Last year they had a really bad storm that pulled all the trees down. See them here? I'm not sure if I'd want to be camping. It is chilly right now, and it's supposed to be colder tomorrow. Hey. I'm cold on a motorcycle. I brought the one that doesn't have heated grips, and my fingers are feeling it. Man, if you like this content, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment also. When these videos get some traction, I actually make a tiny itty bitty little tiny amount of money. I got a video out there right now. I looked at it the other day. I had almost 600 views. I made 28 cents. There's the police. I have a good feeling the police in a pickup truck are not going to turn around and chase me. that's a good washout. We had some bad rainstorms 2 nights ago. This is another one of those roads I expect to be very dirty. Alright, we're going to take a break at this store. So if you need ethanol-free gas, they have it here.